What is so special about the Mahabodhi Temple? Well, it is thought to be where Gautama Buddha obtained enlightenment under the Bodhi tree in the temple. Buddhists frequently visit Bodh Gaya as a place of pilgrimage and is situated in the Indian state of Bihar. One of the significant pilgrimage sites connected to the life of Gautama Buddha is Bodh Gaya. Many inscriptions and chronicles of pilgrimages serve as historical records for Bodh Gaya. It has also been referred to historically as Ovala, Vajrasana, Sambodhi, or Mahabodhi. This temple was previously known as the Bodhimanda Vihara, which later came to be popularly known as Bodh Gaya around the 18th century CE. The Mahabodhi Temple is the name used now. In 2002, UNESCO declared the Mahabodhi Temple to be a World Historic Site. The location of Gautama Buddha's enlightenment is commemorated by the Mahabodhi Temple, which is 96 kilometers from Patna. Its sacred Bodhi tree is located on its western side. It is considered one of the earliest temples of Buddhists from the late Gupta era still standing in India as the Mahabodhi. The entirety of the temple was constructed out of brick. Around the Mahabodhi Temple, individuals from Bhutan, Japan, China, Burma, Sikkim, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Taiwan, Tibet, and Vietnam have constructed a large number of Buddhist temples and monasteries. Each of these temples exhibits the distinctive architectural design of the nation it represents. The Mahabodhi Temple has been home to several monuments, shrines, and carved images for more than 2,000 years, located in the center of historic Bodh Gaya. The Mahabodhi Temple's current appearance is largely the result of late 19th century renovations, first carried out by a Burmese mission and subsequently under the direction of the recently founded Archaeological Survey of India. There is a massive principal straight-sided spire that rises out of the center image chamber and, in one of the corners of the main chamber, there are 4 lesser spires, each of which is topped by the outline of a Buddhist relic mound like the main spire. However, there were considerable changes to the site performed during the late 19th century reconstruction of the Mahabodhi Temple complex in Bodh Gaya. The historical site of the Enlightenment became a popular destination for pilgrims. The Buddha must have returned to Bodh Gaya during his teaching career even though there is no mention of it in any of the scriptures. The Buddhist Emperor Ashoka, who is credited with founding the Mahabodhi Temple, paid a visit to the location some 250 years after the Enlightenment. A massive statue of Lord Buddha in the touching the ground stance can be found inside the temple. This statue is thought to be 1,700 years old and is located exactly where the Buddha attained enlightenment while meditating with his backside to the Bodhi tree, and he is facing east. After attaining enlightenment, Lord Buddha continued his meditation under the Bodhi tree for another 7 days without getting up. He used walking meditation throughout the second week of his practice. The ancient pipal tree famously known as the Bodhi tree is located on the west side of the main temple. In search of enlightenment, Gautama sat beneath this tree. Just the original tree's descendants are taken into account while analyzing the current tree. According to legend, Ashoka's wife had it cut down because she had grown resentful of the time Ashoka spent there. But with time, the tree grew once more at the exact same location. Wrapping it up, if you want to travel to this wonderful place, you have to travel to Patna, the capital of Bihar, which is about 3 hours distant from Bodh Gaya. The closest railhead and airport are in Gaya, which is around 17 kilometers away. The town's focal point, the Mahabodhi Temple, is kept under rigorous security, and no phones are allowed inside the temple. This place is a must-visit if you are religiously drawn to this place, or even if you are a historical enthusiast. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more content.